look with this dewy look, perfect for springtime. I really love this look. It's one of my favorite looks ever. It's a very soft lilac look, simple, elegant, classy. It's perfect for springtime, it's perfect for your lunch date, it's perfect for tea party, garden party, anything, you name it. I'm gonna be using this Too Faced chocolate bar. It's one of my favorite, guys. You see, it's really pretty. And I'm gonna be emphasizing on the lilac shade here, violet shade, purple shade with the shimmers. So yeah, it's gonna be really pretty, elegant, simple, yet classy. It's like a very soft lilac halo with really pretty shimmers. It's really pretty, super pretty. So yeah, guys, it's perfect for your lunch date, for your tea party, garden party, you name it. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. I'm gonna start off with the primer. I'm gonna be using this Photo Finish Primer Water from Smashbox. It's really refreshing, guys. It's supposed to make your face really dewy and glowy, which I really love. I'm gonna be using this Ultra HD foundation from Makeup Forever in Y325. It's one of my favorite foundation sticks, guys. Ultra HD Flawless Finish. I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as usual. I'm so obsessed with the scent. This Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Just to prevent the shine, because I tend to get really oily on my under eye, on my T-zone, on my chin, around my mouth. So yeah, just to prevent the shine. Brush up my eyebrows with a spoolie. Fill out the gaps with Anastasia Brow Wiz. Set the eyebrows with the Benefit 24-hour Browsetter. It's a brow gel, guys. Let's move on with the eyes. I'm going to be taking the shade Milk Chocolate as your transition. We're going to be taking the shade Semi-Sweet along your crease. I'm going to be taking the shade Candied Violet on the inner and outer corner. It's a very pretty shimmery violet. I'm going to spray it with a Fix Plus for maximum pigmentation because I want to make it super foiled and very intense. I want to make it super intense, guys. I'm going to take the shade Marzipan right in the center. I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus. Blend out everything. Make sure there's no harsh lines. I'm gonna take the shade Semi-Sweet and run it along the lower lash line. of that violet shade along the lower lash line. I'm gonna take that champagne truffle shade for the brow bone. And in the corners. I want to take this truffle fudge shade and do a soft wing. Gonna take the Schwing eyeliner from the Balm. And kind of diffuse it out. I'm gonna tightline with Marc eyeliner on upper waterline. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Prime the eyelash with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. I'm gonna be using a L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. It's my new favorite, guys. Okay, let's move on with the face makeup. I'm gonna be using this Rhea bronzer from Thrive Causematics right in the hollows of your cheeks, right here. I really love this bronzer, guys, because it's cool toned and it's toppy and it's just perfect, you know. I'm gonna be using this Toasted Cinnamon blush from Burt's Bees. Using this JCat Highliner in Creme Brulee. A little bit on my nose. Cupid's bow. Powder lip line a little bit. I'm gonna be using this NYX lip liner in nude pink. Gonna be using this ColourPop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in Magic Wand. It's a gorgeous nude, guys. It's one of my favorites, seriously. I'll keep repurchasing this if I run out of this. Face with the Glam Glow Glow Setter as usual. So refreshing. Okay, guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. Of my soft lilac look. It's really soft. It's perfect for spring. This dewy look. So yeah, it's totally one of my favorites. It's totally one of my favorite looks. Let me know what you think of this look. Soft lilac look. Simple, elegant, classy. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye!